Guys, welcome to English Gan, your ultimate destination to learn this beautiful language effectively. Guys, आमे मोस्टली भिडियो गुड़ाक ओडिया मीडियम स्कूल पिला बनई राइट तो मुख्य जिनस हूँ ये ओडिया मीडियम स्कूल पिला माने केमती अति सुंदर भाव में इंग्लीशटा को कहीपर राइट तो ट्रस्ट मी आई एम ऑल्सो ओडिया मीडियम स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स मोर मीडियम अच्छे ओडिया बट इफ आई एम एबल टू स्पीक गुड इंग्लिश तमाने आई हैव लर्न सर्टन ट्रिक्स एंड टिप्स आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर विथ राइट तो आज मुझे गोटे लाइव डेमो देखे तुम मानक इंग्लीशटा केमती एक्चुअली कह जाए मुझे देखापी चाहूँगी ओके आई होप इट विल डेफिनेटली इंस्पायर यू टू स्पीक इंग्लिश इफेक्टिवली आई एम गोइंग टू कॉल वन ऑफ माय टेक्नोलॉजी पार्टनर हु इज इन मुंबई राइट नाउ ओके मुंबई रे मोर जने टेक्नोलॉजी पार्टनर अच्छी इंग्लिश ज्ञान रो टेक्नोलॉजी पार्टनर अच्छी मुझे कॉल करने जाऊँगी लेट्स सी हाउ द कन्वर्सेशन गोज just wait, I'm just connecting the call and check it out how the conversation, real conversation will goes and what you are supposed to say.
Hello.
Yes ma'am, actually yesterday I could not pick up your call, also there are some problems, so could you please brief me about the product that you are handling.
I'll tell you. So basically, we provide a partnership product in which it's a partnership deal, and we provide you things to our partners. That is, technology, which is we give you an online platform,
Okay.
on mobile application in your name and logo.
Okay.
First, and the second thing, we provide you the content which we provide you, that is the content available for school student 1 to 12th class, and the students of entrance exam who are preparing for entrance exam, and third, the students who are prepared for competitive exams, and fourth, the student who want to do some skill development courses like English speaking, grooming courses, management skill, these kind of courses.
Okay, that's fair enough. Ma'am, actually, just I would like to know. I just have few questions for you. So, like I have used couple of software before also. So, how exactly your software is going? What are the differentiator? What are the extra things you provide?
All-in-one software. So I told you about the two things which we provide: one, technology; second, content. I'll tell you the third thing. Third, we provide a business management plan. Our
Okay.
business planner involved with you to growth for your business and all. But sir, if you watch in the market anywhere, you are using any software, any company, they are not going to provide all in one, and that is also without any investment. It's completely a partnership plan.
Okay.
So if you want to need a technology, you have to hire someone else. If you want to grow your business, you need a business developer. Then you need to hire a business development management counselor or something. If you need a content, you have to maybe connected with 2 or 3 institutes or maybe more teachers if you are for that. But in here, you can get everything in one platform. It's all in one, a complete solution of your all problem of an institute and academy.
Okay, that's great. That's great. That's fair enough for me. But the thing is that what are the minimum things like? What are the minimum investment that I have to do?
So it's not an investment, it's partnership deal, a completely deal of 60-40%, where the 60% is yours and 40% is ours, because anyhow the face of that app and the brand is you.
Okay.
Right. So the student comes on your name.
And who will be taking care of the marketing part? It's from your side or from my side?
So marketing, anyhow, the face is you, so you need to hire a counselor, or you can market yourself, but yes, the training, how to pitch on your market and analyze your market, that can be happen from our end.
Okay, I mean to say that, and is there an agreement for that? Like suppose I am handling one company, also you handle one company. Is there any agreement?
Yes, we have a contracted agreement. For that contracted, you have to sign that contract agreement, and all the following components which I currently explained you, these things we provide you, and everything, each and everything mentioned on that contract, because our contract is our partnership is based on these components we providing you.
That's great. That's great. Actually, I am seriously interested considering your proposals. So I believe you have sent all the things to my WhatsApp number, and my email ID is there also. If I have not sent it, please send it once more. I'll just go through that, and perhaps today itself or maximum by tomorrow, I want to just take it to the next level. Okay?
I'll send it all the brochures and the agreement deal, and I'll also send it my partners who already joined. I We
That's
have a
great.
long list, and the teachers, the highly qualified teachers.
That's great. That's great. Ma'am, I want to
I sent it all the details which help you to take the decision.
that's fine. Another thing I just want to know, I basically belongs to Odisha. So is there any guy from Odisha has taken this platform so far?
Need to check because as I'm giving you the platform to you, so many of my sales executives are available to give you platform many more persons.
Okay.
So need to check with them are any person who's
Fine. And is there any demo for that these particular things and everything's demo will be provided?
Yes, it is available thrice a day. It's in the morning, afternoon, and evening. As time you comfortably can tell me, I can arrange a demo for you.
That's great. So in the meantime, just I request you, whatever the things you have, send me to my WhatsApp number so that I can go through that. And whatever the initial description goes, I'm very happy, I'm very pleased also. We need, because we are trying to cater to the needs of the rural students who are not able to get this kind of technology, because basically my institution is located in a very rural place, and I am also trying the students who are not tech savvy, and we will make them tech savvy, and we're trying to take to the next level.
It is helping for you a lot. Reason being the fee structure in our app. If you can check, I'll send you my demo app too. It would be too low. It doesn't.
That's great. That will also suit the pocket of the rural poor. Yeah.
The same teachers, a highly qualified teacher who charge a lot to other online applications to teach the student, like same kind of qualified teachers, highly qualified teachers, and the same kind of notes and documents, everything is available with the very minimum amount.
That's great. That's great. So I just just request you, please, we will not waste your time anymore. I just want you to please send all the details through my WhatsApp. I'll just go through that, and I'll get back to you soon. Maybe maximum by today evening or by tomorrow we'll go for the direct agreement. Okay.
Sure, I'll just drop all the details on your
Okay. Okay. Nice talking to you. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Guys, I hope you got the live conversation, how a actual conversation goes. Okay, this is called hands-on approach. That means, for example, ମୁଁ English କହିପାରୁଛି, I can interact with so many persons. Okay, that means I have the hands-on experience. Hands off experience means ମାନେ କିଛି ଲୋକ ବହି ଦେଖିକି ତମକୁ ପଢେଇବେ. So there is hella difference. So you want to learn English as a skill, so come and join at English Can. We'll take you through the process, and you will transform your life. See you there.